Example number 3. A heater coil rated at 1000 watt is connected to a 110 volt mains. How much time will it take to melt 625 gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius? For ice, latent heat is given 80 calorie per gram. So options are 100 seconds, 150 seconds, 200 seconds, 210 seconds. Now, heat produced due to heating of the coil should be equal to mass into latent heat of ice. So heat produced is given by, they have given power rating, so it is power into time, that is equal to mass into latent heat. So time taken should be equal to mass into latent heat divided by time. Now mass is given 625 gram, that can be written as 0.625 kg. Latent heat is given as 80 calorie per gram. So you can write this as 80 into 4.2 divided by 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So this is joule. So that will become 80 into 4.2 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kg. So I have converted it to SI unit. So 1 gram is 10 power minus 3 kg. That's what I have used. So everything is in SI unit now. Now substitute 0.625 into 80 into 4.2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 1000. Power is given 1000 watt. So 1000 and 10 power 3 get cancelled. So 80 into 6.25, it will be 50. 50 into 4.2, so that will be 210 seconds. So it will take 210 seconds to melt the ice. See, it is given, it is at 0 degree Celsius. So already it is at 0 degree Celsius. So H is equal to ml. Suppose if it is not at 0 degree Celsius, it is, let us say, at minus 15 degrees Celsius, something like this, then heat required is equal to m into L plus m into specific heat of ice into, so from 15 to 0, how much is the temperature change? It is 15 degrees. This you have to add. This will be additional term. Okay, if it is not at 0 degrees, this will be additional term. Here they have given it as 0 degrees. So time taken is 210 seconds. So that is your option D.